Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics by Prasanna Lakshmi. So in this video we are going to discuss compound ratio. So in my last video I have explained ratio and what are the terms of ratio. So ratio is nothing but comparison of two quantities of same kind, and we have two terms in the ratio. First term is known as antecedent and second term is known as consequent. Now first, compound ratio. Here when two ratios are expressed like a single ratio, if you take two or more children, you can take two or more. If you express two ratios as a single ratio, that means taking, suppose A is to B is one ratio, C is to D is the another ratio, and this is antecedent and this is consequent. Because first term of a ratio is called antecedent, second term is consequent. In C is to D also, C is the antecedent and D is called the consequent. So we should express these two ratios as a single ratio by taking the product of antecedent is to product of consequent. That is nothing but the compound ratio. Here product of antecedent is nothing but A into C is to product of the consequent. B and D are the consequent, so B into D. Here we are making these two ratios into one single ratio. AC is to BD, right? So here if you see, the antecedent of this ratio is nothing but the product of the antecedents. Consequent of this ratio is nothing but the product of the consequents, right? Ratios are compounded by multiplying together. For if you take as a fraction, children, suppose A is to B can also be written as A by B. C is to D can also be written as C by D. So when you multiply both the antecedent AC and both the consequent BD, then AC is to BD is the compound ratio of these two ratios. Suppose A is to B equal to C is to D. Here the product of the antecedent and the product of the consequents. These are what? Antecedents. And these are what? Consequents. So here AC is to BD is the compound ratio of these two ratios, A is to B and C is to D. And we can take three also, children. For two or more ratios you can take. For example, A is to B is one ratio, C is to D is one ratio, and E is to F is the another ratio. Now we make it as a single ratio. How? Compound ratio. Here A is the first term, C is the first term, E is the first term. So product of these three, A into C into E is to, what is the second term? B, D, F. So B into D into F, that is ACE is to BDF is a single ratio of these three ratios. So we call it as a compound ratio. If you take another alphabets also, M is to N, right? P is to Q. M is to N is one ratio, P is to Q is another ratio, and M is the antecedent, P is the antecedent. So M into P is equal to N into Q. That is product of antecedent is to product of a consequent. So this is called the compound ratio. Once again, if two or more ratios, if you take antecedent as the product of antecedents and the consequent as the product of consequent, then the ratio is called the compound ratio. The other name of this compound ratio, we can call it as mixed ratio. Mixed ratio.